If you're over 50 and you want to get a stronger core without spending hours working on it, then this video is for you. Most people over 50 believe they need endless core exercises to see results, but that's simply not true. All you need is a couple of safe, highly effective movements that just get the job done without taking up too much time. In this video, I'm going to share one of my favorites. I'm going to explain how to do it, how many reps, how many sets, offer some modifications where needed, so you can do this in the safety of your own home. If you haven't met yet, I'm Gavin. I co-own New Zealand's only fitness studio for people over the age of 40, and I use this exercise a lot with my clients who may have back injuries or get neck pain when doing crunches or are just new to exercise. And it works a treat. So the exercise I'm going to share with you today is a stability ball dead bug, and it is a great exercise because it basically works all the core muscles in the front of your body. It hits the top abs, middle abs, lower abs, your hip flexors, and it also works on something really interesting, which is a cross crawl pattern. And it actually helps your brain as well, because a lot of us struggle with a bit of coordination as we get older, and it's because it's lack of use. So this exercise brings everything together. So you got the neural brain benefit and also the muscle benefit as well. So that's a little bit of information you probably didn't realize. So the way we're going to do this exercise, I'm going to use a stability ball here, a Swiss ball. You don't need to have one. I'm going to show you the version without it, okay? So what you're going to do, you're going to lie on the back, on your back this way. And I want you to lift up your legs off the floor. So I've got a 90-degree bend at my knees, 90-degree bend at my hips, and the ball is not resting on my tummy. I'm going to push it up that way. And what I want to do, I want to push onto the ball. So what's happening is my knees are pushing back, my arms are pushing back, and the whole core just lights up. It activates immediately. Then the cross crawl pattern that I'm going to talk about, you're going to take the opposite arm and opposite leg. Okay, you're going to take it backwards. So you can see my leg is straight. It's a couple of centimeters up off the floor. My arm is the same. I'm going to bring it back. Push again. Opposite side. Bring it back together. Push again. And there's always constant force between one arm and one knee, okay? This is a very challenging exercise. And you're going to repeat that for about 12 to 16 reps in total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, because it is a challenging exercise. Now, if you haven't got a Swiss ball, that's totally fine. You're just going to bend your knees and bend your arms, and you're going to put your hands up in the air this way, and you're just going to opposite sides this way. You're just not going to get that sort of mid-activation where everything is pushed together. Now, some people, when they do this exercise, they're not able to keep their lower back on the floor, which is actually a really key component of this exercise. So the way we're going to do this, we're just going to put something under your neck to support you. And what it does is it lifts your shoulders up a little bit. It forces your lower back to hit the floor, and therefore you're not going to get any back pain when you do this exercise. So I'm going to use just a yoga mat there, and you can see that I've come up. My lower back is nicely on the floor. If I do grab this Swiss ball again, I feel like I'm in a much better position, okay? So opposite arm, opposite leg. I'm not getting that lower back tension I may get if I haven't got it. It actually takes a lot of core strength to straighten that leg out without your lower back popping up, and you'll feel it when you try the exercise. So prop up your neck and you feel a lot better. And the same goes for even if you haven't got a Swiss ball as well. You can come back and you find it's a lot more comfortable than just laying back on the mat. If you did like this video, let me know in the comments. Give it a try. I'd love to hear your feedback, but also I want to let you know about a full body strength program that I have, which is absolutely free. It's been downloaded about 10,000 times now, and I'm getting some amazing feedback. And if you would like to get a copy of that workout, all you need to do is visit the description or the first comment. You can pop your details in and I'll send it over to you via email, absolutely free. I'm going to leave another video in the top corner there, which I think you may like, so jump over there and I'll see you on the next one.